In today's class, we are going to discuss about fractions and decimals, exercise 2.1, fifth problem. Find the perimeters of the triangle ABC and the rectangle BCDE in this figure. And we are going to find whose perimeter is greater. Okay, first we are going to find out the perimeter of triangle ABC. First we are going to write the length of each side of this triangle. The AB length is equal to 5 by 2 and AE length is equal to 3 by 5. After simplifying this one, 3 into 5, 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 by 5. Next one more side length BE is equal to 3 by 4. 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 by 4 centimeters. By using these three lengths, we are going to find out the perimeter. The perimeter is nothing but the total boundary of the given triangle, that is equal to AB plus BE plus EA. AB is equal to 5 by 2, BE is equal to 11 by 4 and EA is equal to 18 by 5. To simplify this one, we are going to take the LCM of denominators. The LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Next, we are going to write the denominator of these fractions as 20. Then we are going to change the numerator by taking the LCM to denominators. Here 2 into 10 becomes the LCM 20. Therefore 2 into 10 is nothing but we are going to multiply the numerator with 10. 5 into 10 plus here the denominator is 4. To equal this denominator to LCM, we should multiply 4 with 5. Next, we are going to multiply the numerator with 5. That is, the numerator becomes 11 into 5 by 20. And then one more fraction, 18 by 5 is also, the denominator should be equal to 20. For this one, here we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. Then the numerator becomes 18 into 4 by 20. Next, to multiply those numbers and adding, we get the perimeter of the ABC triangle is equal to 177 by 20. Next, in the same problem, we are going to find out the perimeter of the given rectangle. We all know that the rectangle is nothing but the opposite sides lengths are equal. That is, BE length is equal to CD length and BC length is equal to DE length. That is, BE is equal to CD is equal to 2, 3 by 4. 2, 3 by 4 is nothing but 11 by 4. And ED is equal to BC is equal to 7 by 6. Next, we all know that the perimeter of a rectangle formula is nothing but 2 into length into breadth. Here, length is nothing but 2, 3 by 4 and breadth is nothing but 7 by 6. Substituting given values in this formula, we get this one 2 into 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Next, take the LCM of denominator. The LCM of 4, 6 is nothing but 12. Let me take the LCM as the denominator. So we are going to change numerator and denominator. Here the denominator should be equal to LCM by multiplying it with 3. So we simply multiply numerator with 3. That becomes 11 into 3 plus here in the second fraction, to change it into LCM to 12, we are going to multiply denominator with 2. Similarly, we multiply numerator with 2. Therefore, the numerator becomes 7 into 3 plus 11 into 3 plus 7 into 2, which is equal to 33 plus 14 by 6, which is equal to 47 by 6. This is the perimeter of the given rectangle. Next, we are going to find out which perimeter is greater. For that one, we are going to change the given fractions into like fractions. To change the given fractions into like fractions is nothing but the fractions which are having the same denominator are called as like fractions. Here, by observing these two values, the denominator are not same. To change the denominators to equal values, we are going to take the LCM of the denominator. What is the LCM of 6 comma 20? That is equal to 60. Next, convert the given fractions into like fractions with the denominator 60. Here, to convert these denominators to 60, we should multiply the denominator with which number? 3. So we simply multiply numerator and denominator with 3. We get 831 by 60. Similarly, convert the second fraction also, 47 by 6. To change the denominator equal to 60, we should multiply denominator with 10. When we multiply denominator with a number, we should multiply numerator with the same number. So 47 into 10 by 6 into 10 is equal to 470 by 60. That is, these two are converted into like fraction. That is, they are having same denominator, that is 60. Next, we are comparing to these two values. By comparing 831 by 60 and 470 by 60, which is greater? 831 is greater. This 831 is nothing but this is the perimeter of the given triangle ABC. Therefore, what we say? The triangle ABC perimeter is greater.